Hey everyone, welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got a total of 15 eBay leads for you guys. So let's start. For our online arbitrage leads, we got three coming from Argos, Holland, and Barry, and then Stonegate Teddy. So let's check this one from Argos. You could buy this Squishmallow for 6.67 and sell it for 16.49. Wow. And then another squishmallow that you could buy for 6.67 and sell it for 18 to 22 pounds. So almost triple its price, guys. Let's check this one from Holland. This herb hair burst biotin gummies that you could buy for 8.80 and sell it for 21.99. And lastly, from Stonegate Teddy, that you could buy this charm, heart bug charm for 23 and then sell it for 42 to 51 pounds. So great finds for OA leads. And for retail arbitrage, we got many, so 12, which is coming from these websites, so check them out as well. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these channels: review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check all these channels out. There you go. And we got you price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out, guys, because you could find also a lot of great deals and finds here, because you could see here all the latest price drops from these websites. Another bot operated channel that we got is this Amazon to eBay monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest price drops of Amazon that you could sell to your eBay store. So if you're into flipping, feel free to check this channel out. And lastly, our general community for eBay, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.